Hi, I'm Jessie Keith from Sungrow Horticulture in Black Gold. Annuals are easy to grow from seed. Choose varieties that will grow in your garden's sun and soil, and follow the growing instructions on each packet. To start seeds at home, you'll need seed starting mix like OMRI listed Black Gold seedling mix, seeds, clean seedling flats, labels, a permanent marker, water, shop lights with plant growing bulbs, and flower fertilizer to feed your growing seedlings. Fill your flat cells to the top with seedling mix and gently water it in until it's fully moistened. The mix should be about 1/4 of an inch from the top of the flat. Fill out your labels for your flowers before planting. Be sure to include the plant's name and the date planted. Annuals with larger seeds, like these nasturtiums, generally have more stored energy and can be planted a little deeper. Plant 1 to 2 seeds per cell. Use a dibble stick to create a 1 to 1/2 inch hole, plant the seeds, and cover them. Annuals with smaller seeds, like these alyssum, generally need to be sprinkled on the soil surface. Sprinkle the seeds on the soil surface and cover with a thin layer of mix and gently water them in. Some plant seeds, like these canna seeds, have thick, tough seed coats that need to be nicked or filed before planting. This process, called scarification, allows the inside of the seed to take up water for faster, quicker sprouting. The seed coat here has been filed or scarified until the lighter inner seed starts to show. Once you have filed your seeds, plant them as you would any other large seed. Water seed gently. You can add bottom water or use a small watering can, or even better, create a bottle waterer for top watering. To create a bottle water, poke holes in a plastic bottle lid to create a simple, easy watering tool. Place seed trays 4 inches below your grow lights. This will give them enough light to keep them from growing leggy. As seedlings grow, lift the lights to accommodate the growing plants. Once seedlings are a few inches tall, feed them with a diluted water-soluble fertilizer for flowers. Before planting your bedding plants outdoors, get them acclimated to the wind and sun of your yard. Place them in a protected spot outside where they'll get a little more sun each day. After a week, they'll be ready to plant. Then you can enjoy your beautiful annuals all summer long. Happy gardening!